I am Casey Haws, and I am the Director of Sales and Operations for Haws Integrated. Today we are talking about the new model 9400, which is a steam heating device for safety showers and eye washes. Per ANSI Z358.1, the requirement for tepid water is between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Within many of your facilities is a great source of heat, which is steam. The Haws Model 9400 uses the existing plant steam to supply that ANSI-compliant tepid water. One of the great features of the design is that your plant steam never comes into contact with your potable water supply, so there is no concern of cross-contamination between the two sources. Also built into the Haws Model 9400 is a Haws Model 9201E mixing valve, which is designed specifically for safety showers and eye washes. Therefore, you have the guarantee that under all circumstances other than losing cold water supply at the inlet, that the mixing valve will guarantee flow to the shower and eye wash. Some of the other features of the Haws Model 9400 is that it is a tankless tepid water system. What's important about that is that you will get an unlimited supply of warm water to your showers as long as steam is present. When you use a tank system, once the tank is depleted of its hot water, you then only have cold water coming to it. So again, this is an unlimited supply of tepid water to your safety showers when steam is available. The device is installed in a lightweight polyethylene enclosure. It's about the size of a carry-on piece of luggage, so it's rather compact, which makes it very easily adaptable to the installation right next to the safety shower and eye wash. It is designed to maintain a constant 80 degrees Fahrenheit or 27 degrees C output to the safety shower and eye washes. Based on best practices that we have seen in the industry, 80 degrees is the temperature of choice for safety showers. Since the device is designed for outdoor use, we have a wide range of temperature ambient requirements. It can go down to a minimum of 30 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 30 degrees Fahrenheit, so it does have freeze protection. And it is available for up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and therefore we add scald protection to ensure that under either circumstances of extreme cold or extreme hot, the device is going to maintain that 80 degree set point. It does allow you to conform with OSHA from a suitable facility in that it does supply the tepid water, which allows the safety shower to be used for the full 15 minutes. And again, it does meet the ANSI requirements for tepid water delivery based on its 80 degree Fahrenheit outlet, because the temperature range, again, allowed is 60 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So the Model 9400 is a complete tepid water safety solution for increased victim comfort. Some of the requirements of the Haws Model 9400 is it is designed for a 25 GPM outlet, so it is good for one shower combination eye face wash running at one time. Again, it does have the ambient operating temperature from 120 degrees on the high side and minus 30 degrees Fahrenheit on the cold side, again with scald and freeze protection built in. The inlet water pressure has a minimum of 55 psi. That is due to the pressure drop of the mixing valve, and then a maximum of 90 psi. We can take water up to 80 degrees Fahrenheit on the inlet and down to 40 degrees to ensure that it does continue to meet the ANSI requirement and give you that output of 80 degrees Fahrenheit. For the steam inlet pressure, we offer it today in a minimum of 45 psi and a maximum of 60 psi. And again, the maximum flow rate of the unit is a 25 GPM outlet. So therefore, we have about a 25 psi drop due to the mixing valve. Water inlets and outlets are your typical 1¼ inch, which is what the inlets and outlets of safety showers today. And very importantly, on the steam supply, to ensure that you have a 1-inch piped connection to that to ensure the proper amount of steam, which is 600 pounds per hour, is supplied to the unit. And again, from 25 psi inlet, we have the pressure drop of around 25 gallons per minute. Haws is the exclusive and global master distributor of this privately branded product. It is part of our AXION line, AXION by Haws. Again, Haws Model 9400, steam supplied heating package for safety showers and eye washes. So some of the questions that we often get around the Model 9400 is if the steam pressure is higher than the recommended, which was 60 psi, are regulators and relief valves recommended? Absolutely. We will need to bring down that pressure. If you have something higher than the required maximum of 60 psi, we will have to put a regulator on that to ensure that we're there. Likewise, if your steam pressure is lower than the minimum of 45 psi, we do offer a low pressure system as well. And then often we get questioned about the how many showers. So can one unit supply water to more than one safety shower at the same time? The answer to that is no. It is only designed for one safety shower at 25 gallons per minute. So it is not capable of running 2 showers at one time. Or more importantly, it's not designed for running water more than 25 gallons at one time. And then can the unit be piped to supply multiple safety showers and stations? Absolutely. This can connect to as many showers as you have in an area. However, we need to understand again that it's only designed for one safety shower and eye face wash run at a time, or again up to 25 gallons per minute. One thing to consider is if you connect it to multiple showers, you need to look at the distance between the steam heater and the shower for the dead leg to determine how long it's going to take for that warm water to get there. We believe that the first 5 seconds are very important. If the shower is too cold, people are going to jump out and may not get the proper first aid. How far from the shower and eye wash can the unit be installed? So likewise with the last answer, we recommend up to 3 feet. It can be farther, but again, we need to look at that time delay of supplying tepid water. And then we have how much steam will one unit consume? So it's going to use approximately 600 pounds per hour of steam while running. Now, a key point there is while it's running at the 25 gallon per minute, and then 20 pounds per hour while idling. And that's part of the freeze protection in there, is that we do have steam running through it at all times, which keeps the box warm and allows for the minus 30 degrees Fahrenheit. And then from the whole process side of things, how much discharge should I expect to see from the unit? It does have a maximum of 12 gallons per hour, again, while sitting idle at 130 degree ambient to keep the water below 95 degrees. So again, we are using some of your steam when it is idle. So with that, there are resources available to you. If you go to the hawsco.com website, you can get a spec sheet, which has all of the information on there. And if you are interested and want further information, please call 888-640-4800.